In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use a project management tool to create a comprehensive master timeline. This tutorial will guide you through setting up and organizing your projects into a cohesive timeline view, ensuring your team stays on track and aligned with project goals. To begin, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you have the option to either select an existing project that you'd like to include in your master timeline, or start fresh by creating a new project. If you decide on a new project, simply click on the Create Project button. You can choose between beginning with a blank slate or opting for a template that might suit your particular workflow more effectively. Once inside your project, switch over to the Timeline view. You'll find the Timeline tab at the top of the screen. This area allows you to visually map out your tasks alongside their deadlines, giving you a clear and organized perspective of your project's progression and scheduling. Next, start adding tasks to your project. Don't forget to include key milestones, as these are crucial indicators of significant stages in your project. Assign both start and due dates to each task. This will ensure everything appears correctly and timely on your timeline, making it simpler to manage and visualize the workload. Organizing tasks with sections is a fantastic way to enhance clarity. You might consider grouping related tasks by phase, team, or even project type. Doing so not only makes your timeline easier to navigate, but also helps maintain a coherent structure that's easy to follow. For tasks that are dependent on others, setting dependencies is an essential step. You can do this by clicking on a task and dragging the dependency line to connect it with the preceding task it relies on. This setup allows you to clearly see which tasks must be completed first and helps you keep your timeline realistic. When working with multiple projects, aiming for a truly consolidated master timeline is beneficial. This can be achieved by creating a portfolio if you have access to the premium or business plans in Asana. Adding all your key projects to this portfolio enables you to use either the timeline or calendar view to observe all projects in a single comprehensive display. As your project progresses, you might find it necessary to adjust plans. You can easily drag tasks around on the timeline to tweak the schedule as required. It's important to review this regularly to ensure that deadlines, dependencies, and project priorities are all up to date and reflect any changes in your work environment. Lastly, sharing your master timeline with your team is crucial for maintaining alignment. By inviting team members to collaborate, they can keep track of progress, comment, or update tasks in real time, fostering a transparent and coordinated team effort toward achieving your project goals.